In this video, I'm going to test out these 4 herbicides on the same exact weed. Not the same exact one, but the same type of weed. 4 separate clumps of the same exact weed. And I want to see which one of these can give us the best results in 48 hours. Let me introduce you to the products. I'm going to show you the weed. We're going to spray the weeds and we're going to check back and we're going to see which one works the fastest. All right, introducing our contestants. I'm going to start over here. And this one is kind of the oddball in the group. This is the green Gobbler 20% vinegar weed killer. So I don't know if you've seen before, but there's all these homemade weed killer recipes that use vinegar, and this is just a commercialized version of that. So we're going to spray this and see how fast it works. Now, vinegar in general works very fast, so I'm expecting fast results on this. Now, on the vinegar, make sure that you do not spray that on the lawn. This is going to be something more for like gravel or a sidewalk or something like that, where you don't want weeds to grow and you're spraying something, because it will definitely damage your grass if you spray it in the lawn. Next up, this is Spectricide Weed Stop for Lawns. It's got 2,4-D in it and some other ingredients, dicamba, and we're going to spray it. It should be a good broadleaf product. Again, this is a pre-mixed thing that you can buy. And then a couple of the products that I'm regularly using for my weed control and fertilization business. This here is Tribute Total. It's a product we use on Bermuda and zoysia lawns. It works on grassy weeds, sedges, broadleaf weeds, kind of a all-around product for Bermuda and zoysia lawns. And then Change Up. Change Up is a product I use a lot. I've already got some of these mixed up. Now, these come in their own little spray bottle. These I've already got mixed up. I use a lot of these little 2-gallon handheld sprayers for my business, and I've already got Change Up mixed up. Change Up I put in there at 0.75 ounces, so 3/4 of an ounce per gallon of water. I do have surfactant mixed in there. Tribute Total, I mixed it at the high rate. It comes with a little green scoop, and it's 3 scoops per gallon of water for the high rate. You can check the rates on the labels of all these products. So let me show you the weed that's going to be our target weed for today. So here's the weed we're going after. This is called wild geranium. It is a common broadleaf weed. It's a cool season weed that I'm seeing in my lawns oftentimes in the spring. This is a fairly mature one. I've got several here. I'm going to mark these with flags so that we can keep up with which one we spray with which product, and I can locate them, and then we'll come back and check on them. Well, I've got my flags marked. I got V for Vinegar, S for Spectricide, I've got C for Change Up, and I've got T for Tribute Total. So I'm going to place these each by an individual weed. We're going to spray it with the individual product and see what happens. First one is going to spray is Tribute Total on this wild geranium. Trying to get good coverage on the leaves of the plant. Next up, we've got the Spectricide. We got Change Up. And lastly, we got the green Gobbler vinegar weed killer. So I tried to make pretty even applications on all these weeds to get good leaf coverage. I know in particular the vinegar needs really good leaf coverage to be able to be effective. What I think I'll do is check back maybe tomorrow and check on it, and then we'll do the final 48-hour checkup to see how well it works. I think this is a very easy weed to control and see results on, which is what I want, because I want to see fast results. So let's see what happens in a couple days. So it's been a little over 24 hours. Let's check on the results so far. First up, we got Tribute Total. You can see some wilting action here. The plant is sort of folding its leaves down. Not anything extraordinary, to be honest with you. I don't have any doubt it's going to work. I'm just trying to see which one's going to work the fastest. Next up, we got Spectricide here. A lot more curling of the leaves there, so you get a little bit more visible results. So pretty fast results with the Spectricide. This one will be the Change Up. Let's see. You see right there toward the center, it's really curling up. Kind of discoloring the plant a little bit. And lastly is going to be the Vinegar. And you can see what it looks like. It is by far the most visibly damaged one. And actually, I even looked at it a couple hours later. It was looking pretty terrible already. But you can see it burns a little bit of grass here and everything. So again, the Vinegar, don't use it in the yard. That's for like gravel areas. We'll check back in 48 hours for the 48-hour update and see what it looks like. Well, the 48-hour challenge is over, and I want to show you the final results, and let's try to make some conclusions from this. Starting out with the tribute total, you can see maybe a little bit of change since yesterday's observation, but honestly not the most impressive results. It's wilting a little bit, so tribute total is not going to be a super fast product, even killing an easy broadleaf weed like this. The Spectricide, much more serious results, a lot of leaf curling, and it would be easy to jump to conclusions with situations like this. What I mean by jumping to conclusions would be like, okay, obviously Spectricide is a better product than tribute total. Well, not necessarily. I mean, Spectricide, I actually did another video. It was a $5 bottle I was showing, and that bottle of tribute total is about a $400 product. It does give you faster results in this kind of situation. The tribute total is such a versatile product that I can use. I say versatile, not really on grass types. It's really for Bermuda and zoysia grasses, but I can use it on just about any weed in those grass types. Sedges, broadleaf weeds, grassy weeds, and it's going to be excellent. Where the Spectricide, yes, it's going to give us that quick results on those broadleaf weeds, but it's not going to do much of anything, honestly, on a grassy weed or a sedge. Change up, and one of the things I want to mention about all these products is like actually the cost. So again, I mentioned $400 on the tribute total and $5 on the Spectricide. Well, if you break it down for the actual cost per 1,000 square feet that you can spray, tribute total is probably cheaper product when it's mixed in that capacity. Now you could probably buy a bulk version of the Spectricide and get it cheaper too. That was just a pre-mixed bottle, so you're kind of paying a higher price for it. But don't always just look at the price on the bottle and think, okay, that one's cheaper than this one. You want to know how far will it go and how versatile of a product it is. For instance, Change Up is significantly cheaper product. Now I buy it in a 2.5 gallon jug, but it's significantly cheaper than tribute total, and it's going to give us some good quick results on broadleaf weeds, and is a great product, but it's not going to do much for grassy weeds or sedges. So we're typically going to mix it with a product that would be good with sedges. That way, if I've got, let's say, Change Up and Pro Sedge mixed together, I can walk around the yard and spray broadleaf weeds and sedges. See, we got some pretty good results with the Change Up. Now as the weather gets hotter, it's going to be even faster. And finally, we've got the green Gobbler Vinegar, and of course it just absolutely started demolishing it within 2 hours, but you can see after 48 hours it's looking pretty rough. And some people will say, oh Jason, it's going to come back. I really don't think so. But again, the Vinegar is not something you want to spray in your yard. It's just a quick burn down result that you're going to get on somewhere where you don't want anything to grow. I'll be curious to try that again in the hot summer months and see just how much faster it is and if there'd be any difference in the results. Well, hopefully it's been helpful to show you these different products, hopefully introduce you to some products that maybe you weren't familiar with. And you can, of course, always follow the label, wear your PPE. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. I've got a ton of weed control videos on here, and I'm planning to do a lot more. Thanks for watching. If you want to get into the weed control and fertilization business like me, go check out the Weed Control and Fertilization Academy at lawncarelife.com. We'll see you guys in the next video.